This thesis and dissertation services video is going to talk about creating the PDF. Hopefully it's one of your last steps. When you're working with a template, one thing that a lot of people notice is when they create their PDF on a Mac, you end up with a couple of minor issues that seem to occur. First is any of the drop-down lists tend to leave a little gray square outlined on their PDF. To get rid of this, we'll want to highlight the first 3 pages, or sometimes 4 if you have a longer abstract, and the key command you want to press to get rid of it is Command Shift F9. That takes away all the gray squares, but it doesn't change any of the contents. So when you create your PDF, it'll be nice and clean. The other thing that happens is if you have any landscape pages, when you print the PDF, it seems to break them into chunks. I'll show you how to fix those using the Acrobat software. First, to get the PDF created, what we want to do is we want to go up to the File menu and come down to Print. When you're in your Print menu, you want to make sure that you're going to print all the pages, and you want to come down, rather than going to Print and sending it to the printer, you want to create a PDF. So we'll do Save as PDF, and we'll save it wherever we're going to save it, and you'll just have to hit Save, and it will create the PDF. So our PDF has been printed and we've opened it. This is a great place to go through. Make sure all of your pages appear exactly as you intend them to, that your headings and your page numbers match up. This should be taken care of before you get to this point, but it's a good place to check. If you have a situation where you've got multiple documents because you had landscaping issues, you can always, they'll show up wherever you've saved them, and you can grab pages from the document from another file and just drop them in. So if it's the last few pages of your abstract, usually it will print out with whatever you've titled your document 1, whatever you've titled 2, whatever you titled 3. So you can grab 2 and drop it in, and then add in 3, and then add in 4 as you go along. And that will rebuild your document. If you don't have a full version of Acrobat, you can send it to Thesis and Dissertation Services or go to the library. Let us know that you're having problems and we'll be able to help you out. When you're in your final document, we really want you to make sure that your text has been embedded. The Mac does this pretty well on its own, but if you're not sure, you can hold down Command D and you'll get into the document properties. So if every bit of text you have says embedded subset after it, you know you're in good shape. Go ahead and send that document to us. We'll approve it and hopefully you'll be done.